What up, YouTube? This is 81wolfpack with box 2 of a 2-box break of 2010 Contenders football, sponsored in part by AtlantaSportsCard.com. I want to give a shout out to them for getting this out fast and give me a good price and a little discount for doing this YouTube video upload. That's AtlantaSportsCards.com, and do appreciate it. Thanks. Alright, we got box 2. We're just going to get the busting real quick. If you didn't see my last video, it'll be posted. Got our trusty checklist. And our 24 packs. Making a big mess here. And we got 2 stuck at the bottom. Or actually a few. So, alright, here we go. 5 autos, 2 on card, 3 stickers, even though it only says 4 guaranteed autos. Insert in every pack. We got a Chiefs Tony Moyaki, non-numbered insert, and some base. AP. Alright, here we go. Here's an insert I want to see. Michael Irvin Super Bowl ticket. That's PC right there. And another Danny Woodhead. That's 2 of those. Between the 2 boxes. And we may have our first auto here, and we do. Really, it's been on card. So that's one of our 2 on card autos. Pretty good. Yes, another Cowboys insert. Leroy Jordan. This guy's got a great autograph. It's like old school cursive. Was able to get an autograph out of him on 2 sets this year. Got a dual insert of Javid Best, and that looks like Dexter McCluster, and it is not numbered. Here's a numbered insert. 67 out of 100. Of Oklahoma grads, Sam Bradford and Jermaine Gresham. Decent hit there. Joe Montana. Got that one in the last box. Brett Favre, ooh, and everyone's favorite pull, the redemption. Glorious. See what we got here. RPS rookie tickets, number 221. Not a golden ticket. Let's see what it is on the checklist here. Shoot, man, I can't even see. This print's so small. Hold on 1 second. Georgia Tech running back Jonathan Dwyer. So, I wonder if that counts as our on-card auto or not, because I do believe he was at the rookie premiere. So, that'd be a kind of disappointment if so. But we'll keep going. So we got Jonathan Dwyer, and that really has been autographed so far. Here's another insert. Rookie ticket of Willie Brown. There's an insert dual. Carolina Panthers, Seattle Seahawks. That would be the Notre Dame connection of Jimmy Clausen and Golden Tate. Not numbered. It's Drew Brees Super Bowl tickets. Well on the way to doing that set, looks like. Everything's for trade for Cowboys or maybe even a Jordan Shipley autograph or two. Except for any Dallas Cowboys hits we might pull. It's looking like there might not be any. We have a Ricky Sapp. Hopefully it's a short print, because otherwise it's kind of a not so great pull. And we have an insert of Dexter McCluster. And Bart Starr. Mark Sanchez. We got Fran Tarkenton in the similar fashion of Mr. Starr. Oop, probably dinged that corner. Oh well. Mr. Witten, Mr. Rivers, who I went to college with. Never a problem pulling his cards. Jason Pierre-Paul and Derek Morgan. My battery's going low. I'm gonna have to rush through these. Cowboys insert. Hooray. Buccaneers, really it's Ben, or maybe that was, yeah, that's Ben, number 17. And a John Skelton. 2 Cardinals autographs in 2 boxes. Awesome. A Demaryius Thomas insert. I hope this is even recording. Battery looks like it is completely dead. Here's a numbered insert of CJ Spiller to 99. Very nice. Ryan Matthews insert. Plenty of Ryan Matthews collectors out there. Oh, we got another autograph. A Jason Pierre-Paul. Insert of him not too long ago. And last pack of the break. And another Mike Williams insert. That'll do it. Thanks a lot, guys.